We're at San Juan National Forest. The train from Durango to Silverton.
Somewhere along here where they film which cascade.
It's Wednesday, August 17, 2016. Don't know what time it is. We left Durango at 8:45. We're heading to Silverton, 9,500 feet above sea level. Durango was 6,500 feet. Wow, looking down. I can't see down there.
Oh, wow.
One of those over there.
Take the video, take the picture, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're starting into what's called the High Line area. The big horseshoe curve where you'll be able to see the front and the back of the river.
Here we go. There's the front of the train.
Oh my God.
That's not you. It's water. It's water. It's water. Not on a water.
Baker's Bridge is for the... No, it was way back in the valley. At about 465 now. I got a message back.
You're supposed to be able to see the front and the back of the train at the same time.
West, so I say animals. If you
Where's the back of
the
the train?
Spanish language, they pronounce it beautifully.
Oh, are we
See that white sign down on the right side of the river? It says take out here. If you're rafting the river, you have to stop there. There's a trail that goes from the river's edge up to the Rockwood parking area. So most of the commercial guided rafting companies will take out there and then they deflate their rafts and haul them up to the Rockwood parking area. I don't know if we'll see anybody this afternoon or not. Probably not this morning. The river's really low to be rafting or kayaking. It's also privately owned land beyond that area, so you can't really just willy-nilly take out on somebody's property. They don't want that very much.
Okay, that's it for this one.